had this. We did this in class. So you did this in class. Most of you did this in class. And you got to here. Most of you got to here. This was, I don't know what's, $50. Started out with $50. So I hope you annotate. You earned $50. You think you would spend $5 of your earning for the first 2 days. So one day you spend 5, you have 45 left. Spend another 5, you have 40 left. Okay. You stop spending for 4 days, so the next 4 days it stays the same. Most of you, when I went around, got this. Then you spend $10 each day till it's gone. So you get 30, 20, 10. And that's it. Correct? So for 4 days you spent nothing. And then you spend $10 after the 4 days. You get 30, 10. It was $0 right there. Okay. So it takes 10 weeks to be at $0. After 9 weeks, you spend your 9th week, 10 weeks is gone. Graph it. I count my Y value. Here's my dependent, dependent variable. Okay. So this is count by. Okay, if you counted by 5 for each block, it's good. If you counted every other one by 5, it's also good. I've seen it both ways. By ones. Like that. So 10, 0. 9, 10. 8, 20. 7, 30. 6, 40. 'kay, and then here you went from 50 to 45 to 40. So you got that line, and that line. So write the domain of each piece. Use math terms. The first domain, this is each piece. Domain of that piece is 1 to 2. So 1 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. The other one is 2 to 6. So 2 is less than x less than or equal to 6. And then it's 6 to 10. Okay, those are writing equation in slope-intercept form to represent each piece of the graph. Okay, slope-intercept form, you're going to choose 2 points. Okay, so I'm going to choose this 2 points for the first line right there. Or you can choose 0, 50 to 40. So 50, we need to find slope. We're going to use point slope. That's y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. Okay, so we need to find slope here. That's m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, what I'm going to do so upload won't take forever is I'm going to do each page, upload it in that way. So that is 50 minus 40 over 0 minus 2. 10 over negative 2. Slope is negative 5 over 1. Okay, let me stand up because I just had a big dinner and falling asleep. Okay, got the slope. Now we're going to choose one of these points over here. I'm going to choose 0, 50. And use these point slope formula. Y minus y1 equals to m, which is negative 5, times x minus 0, y minus y1, which is 50, choosing the first point right here, okay, equals to negative 5 parentheses x minus 0. So y minus 50 equals negative 5x plus 0 plus 50 plus 50, y equals to negative 5x plus 50. I'm going to check if my equation is right. It's very important to check. If y-intercept is at 50, well, it says 50. And this should be going down, because the slope and it's going down. So most likely, my equation is correct. Always double check your equation to make sure it's correct. Okay, my middle one is, if you forget, just choose the 2 here, 1, 2, and use point slope, and you'll get the answer, okay? So anytime you forget, you can always use point slope. But this is a horizontal line like that, and that is y equals to 40. There. Looking at the graph, y equals to 40. If it's a horizontal line, it's y equals to something. Okay, now I'm going to choose 2 more points. So for this, I'll choose 640 and 0, 10. It's my easiest. 640 and 0, 10. Point slope, I'm going to put 640 and 10, 0, not 0, 10, I'm sorry. Okay. Zero minus 40, remember we need to start with slope. Slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals y2, 0 minus 40 over 10 minus 60. It's a negative 40 over negative 40, which is equal to 1 whole. Okay, now choose a point. I'm going to choose 0, 10. 10, 0, I mean. And use point slope to come up with the formula. So, y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. That's point slope formula. Substitute in y minus y1 I don't know what I'm doing. Y minus y1. What am I doing? Is 0 equals to m, which is 1 parentheses times x minus x1, which is 10. Distributing a 1, multiplying by 1 will not change a thing. It's just 1x, or just x, minus 10 equals to y minus 0. Adding 0 will not change anything. Okay, that's your third one. Okay, this is, got this as positive m, and looks like it's going down, so my slope is wrong. Ooh, Miss Wilcox. 0 minus 40 and 10 minus 60. Zero minus 40. 0 minus 40 and 10 minus 60. It's positive. I must have copied the problem wrong. 640. Oh my god. That's why I copied the problem wrong. 640 and 10 0. See how you guys, you always check back? Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it. 0, 40, 10 minus 6. Okay, so that changes to a positive 4, makes it a negative. It's all wrong. It's a negative 10 over 1 is the slope. So negative 10 here. Okay, let me stand up. I sat down again and I can't even think. It's negative 10x plus 100. Okay? So this is negative 10x plus 100. Okay? That's your third equation. Now, I'm falling asleep. I think I did this in class, right? I don't know what I did wrong, but it's correct now. Okay, let's look at this here. Let me stop and email this page. So I think we checked everything. If you have any question on this very first page, let me know. Because I assume everyone's done with at least the first page together. You guys worked together and figured it out. So I'm going to